We've got this Graduate 2018. It's kind of like a shadow box, which is really cool. And then this Aim to Inspire. I love how it's see-through. And Jasmine had a really good idea to put this on top to make it look like a 3D box. Right, like a shadow box, but it's like 3D as well. So that's really neat. But that's not what I'm going to use it for. A scarf, pineapples and stripes. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. With a matching tote bag. It's printed on both sides. And a little beach ball sippy cup. And a water gun. Seaside Marina Bay. So cute. It smells good. It smells very fresh and sweet at the same time, like a floral. I got this lint roller for 75 cents because the label was ripped off. 2 bags of sand, wire cutters, and then I think these were in the garden section, but these were in the same section as the floral area. But I think these are for like pruning bushes and stuff. Cucumber melon. I really like the bumpy texture on the glass. Kind of reminds me of milk glass. It's very farmhouse looking. And it smells amazing. It smells just like cucumber melon from Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, it smells even better actually. I think they're just river rocks. But these remind me of the rocks that I saw when I went to California, like from the Pacific Ocean. This colander is adorable! So cute! This is also farmhouse looking. These are also farmhouse looking. I like how they're textured, and 2 for $1, that's really good. Here's a really good deal. 3 terracotta pots for $1. These are $1.77 for each pot at Walmart. Vanilla ice cream scented. It's new and improved. So this just came out. They were just pulling these out of the boxes when I got these. A kitchen towel, a serving tray, and another like a cheese and fruit platter. These are from the automotive section, but you could also get jute like one of these from the floral section. Some floral foam, 1 succulent, the only succulent in the entire store, and I found it. Some reindeer moss, some moss-covered stones that I already opened, 2 wreath forms, 4 of these longer picture frames, a charger plate, it's beaded, this one's silver, a mirror, it's actually a wall mirror, of course I'm going to use it as a tray, and then these fit in here really nicely as well. Alright, so that's what I got from Dollar Tree, and then what I got from Walmart, this bucket was $2.97, and I think this is very farmhouse looking. This would be really cute in a laundry room. Some E6000, it was like $3. Some upholstery nails, the black ones, they're a matte black. Craft sticks, you get a 50 pack for 88 cents. This little easel, it's dry erase on one side and chalkboard on the other. This is the good quality sisal twisted rope. And this was, I think, $5, but it's 100 feet. They didn't have any in Dollar Tree, So I got this instead. And this is another one of those things where you can find rope in like 5 different places in Walmart. This one was where they sell the actual like nails and stuff. It was in the same aisle as the upholstery nails. So it's in with fasteners and hooks. But they have rope in the craft section and the floral section, home section, but they weren't this good quality and it wasn't this amount for such a good price. So this was the best deal. And then this matte acrylic paint was 50 cents. And then this seafoam green, it's called Key West. Really pretty color, 50 cents. And then these 4, I don't even know how much I paid for these. But it comes with the little safety pins and little craft sticks to go with them. So 4 chalk labels, which they happen to match this easel. They happen to match this easel perfectly. So yeah, so that's what I got. I'm excited about the little projects I'm going to be making.